What if we replace the positive charge with the negative charge? Well, we would go through the same logic that we did for the positive charge's motion, but the direction of the electric field force in this case will be reversed. Because for a negative charge in a field, if the electric field is pointing this way down, the force of the electric field is in the opposite direction it is up. And again, since we want the total acceleration of this charge to be 0, the external force will be equal in magnitude to the field, but in the opposite direction. We're not going to go through the same level of detail we did with the positive charge, but we will summarize this on the next slide. This is a very busy slide, so let's take our time with it. I put both of these cases on one slide so you could see what happens, what's different and what's the same. So what's same about this is the electric field is constant in both directions, and the force due to the electric field is going to be up. In both cases, to get an acceleration of 0, we need the external force to be down. So the direction of the forces is the same in both cases, but what's going to happen is the work will be different. As the charge moves up, this time the work done by the external force is negative. The force is down, the motion is up. If you go to this case, the work done by the external force is positive. The external force is in the same direction as the movement of the charge. Now let's talk about the electric field. The electric field force is up. The charge is moving up, so that work is positive. And as you might guess on the bottom, since the work done by the electric field is negative, that's showing that the electric field force is up, the particle is moving down, so that work is negative. So that's where they're different. Where they're the same is because the acceleration is equal to 0, the net force and the net work will be 0 in both cases for both of these configurations. Over here we have the potential energy, since it's the negative of work, done by the electric field. The work done by the electric field is positive, the potential energy of the system decreases, and in this case it's the exact opposite, the potential energy of the system increases. So you might want to go back and review this slide again and frankly turn off the sound and try and draw the pictures yourself and see that all these signs work out properly.